All right, welcome back. Sorry about that. So welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can actually sell to your citizens living in abroad. So this video is very important. So it's just like a bonus. So this is how you can actually sell to your citizens who are living in abroad using Facebook ads. And the reason is because most of your citizens who are living abroad, they have 70 to 90% chance of buying your product. Okay, so if you are in Nigeria, we can actually advertise your services or your business to Nigerians who are living in abroad. If you are in South Africa, you can advertise to South Africans who are living in abroad. If you are in Kenya, you can advertise to Kenyans who are living in abroad. And if you are from Ghana, you can actually advertise to Ghanaians who are living in abroad. So bear it in mind that it's not everything that you can advertise to them. So let me say you can, if you are a real estate agent, most of your citizens who are living in abroad, they have the chance of buying this buying a house or something like that, or maybe buying a land, because most times they can't come here and buy the land or buy the house, so they will likely need an agent. So you can actually advertise to them. Now if you are selling food stuff in bulk, all right, if you are selling in bulk, not if you are selling at a retail price. So if you are selling in bulk and you know how to ship those food stuff to those who are living in abroad, because we Africans, we don't joke with our delicacy, all right, we don't joke with our local dish. So you can actually ship your food stuff to them so that they can buy it, and I think it's very lucrative. Another thing is, if you are selling digital products or if you are rendering online services, you can as well target um, your citizens who are living in abroad. So this is how you can do that. So just come over here as usual, click create. So we are going to start afresh, all right. So let's choose our campaign objective. We are going to use sales. I'll click continue. I'll come over here and click manual sales campaign because we want to do everything manually. So I'll click continue. So now is to set our campaign name. So let me say, what name am I going to use now? Let me say promo. I just want to use a random name, okay? Let me say promo offer. Let's use this as the campaign name. So I will scroll down and then look at the objective. So let me select the objective. I will come over here to edit. As you can see, it is under sales, right? It is under sales. So in case if you see the objective, if you choose sales and you are seeing the objective as leads, you can change it through here. So let me scroll down again and then click next. So there's no need using A/B testing. So now the next thing is to set your ad set name. Ad set means ad settings. Okay, ad settings. Already you know what ad means. AD, that's adverts. So if you add S to it, that's ads. It becomes adverts. So anytime you see ad, it means advert. Okay. So ad set name, that's ad setting name. Let me use the same. Let me use the same promo offer. You can actually choose any name as far as you can remember what you are, the name you are choosing. So let's come over here to now. What is our plan? Conversion. So conversion is actually what we are looking for. So I'll come over here. I will leave my pics here because I don't want to run any ads right now. So let me scroll down. So you can actually select the amount, just like I told you. Make sure that the list is $5. So try and check what $5 is in your country. Just try and check the what $5 is in your country, whether in rands or in cedis or in shilling or in naira. So here in Nigeria, $5 is equivalent to 5,000. So hope I'm correct. Yeah. So you can as well choose the starting date and the ending date. So let me say starts on December and then ends. So make sure you select an end date, very important, so that you won't spend all your money running ads. So let me say from December to January. Okay, let's leave it this way. It's okay, but in case if you want to edit it, just click it and then you know select the date you want as the end date. You can also select the time by clicking here and then select the time. Here is 5. You can change it to 7. Come over here and say something like o'clock 00. Okay, so you can do it. So this is the main thing. Okay, this is the main thing. Now as you can see, this is Nigeria, so I'll come over here to edit. I'll click this edit right here and then remove Nigeria, because I want to target Nigerians that are living in abroad, for example. So if you are from South Africa or Kenya, you can do the same thing. So let me say United States. Let me say I want to target Nigerians who are living in United States. So I will just click United States. Okay, yeah, United States, country, region. So I'm going to click it. Now after that, I will scroll down and then come over here to Advantage plus Audience. I'm going to click it. So just leave custom audience. Okay, so just leave custom audience. You can select the gender in case if it is both male and female, then leave all genders. But if it is something that is meant for men, you can come over here to edit and then select whether men or women. You can also do the same thing on age. Come over here to edit and then select the age from 18 to 65. So I will just leave it that way. And then the most important thing is over here, the detailed targeting. This is where you will do the job. So come over here and click edit. So under the demograph, I'm going to type in experts. Just type experts. So as you can see, expert, friends of those who lived abroad. Expert lives abroad. So this is what you are going to do. If you are in Nigeria and you want to target Nigerians who are living in United States, just come here and type experts, then click Nigeria. So this is it. Lived in Nigeria, formerly expert in Nigeria. So what this means is that Nigerians, or let me say, yeah, those who have lived in Nigeria. I know that most of the people that have lived in Nigeria are actually Nigerians. So this is formerly expats Nigeria. You understand? So this is just like a behavior. Those who have lived in Nigeria and right now they are in the United States, because our location was United States. Okay, our location was United States. So under this data targeting, I have selected those who have lived in Nigeria and right now they are in United States. So I'm going to click this as a behavior. So this is it. So let me scroll down. You can also add other demograph or interests. You can also add any other interest. So let me say something. You can also type in other interests like let me say if you are advertising something like what am I going to say now? Let me say you are a graphic designer. You have already targeted Nigerians who are in United States. So let me say you want to target South Africans. You can also do the same thing. Type experts South Africa. South Africa. So this is it. Expert South Africa. Lived in South Africa, formerly expert South Africa, as you can see now. So these are South Africans right now who have lived in South Africa, but right now they are United States. So you can also click it and do the same thing. Alright, so if you want to add your friends, like if you want your friends, let me say your Facebook friends who have lived in your country and they are right now living in United States, you can also do the same thing. You can also type the same experts. Let me say, yeah, as you can see, friends of those who lived abroad. So you can actually click it. Okay, so that's just it. Now after that, come to narrow audience. Okay, you can actually come to narrow audience and click it. So come over here, and this is actually how you can do it. No, narrow audience is like you want to target specific group of people, not just those who are in Nigeria, who are from Nigeria, sorry, those who are from Nigeria that are living in the United States. Like you want to target specific group of Nigerians in the United States, especially those who are interested in what you're advertising. So let me say you are selling, let me say you're a graphic designer, for example. You need to look for those who are interested in graphic design. So let me just type something like graphic design. So as you can see, graphic design. So I will just scroll down right here and choose interest, graphic design. So interest is what I'm going to click, not job title. Okay, not school, but rather interest. So those who are interested in graphic design, I'm going to click it. Another thing is you need to add this thing, engage shoppers. Hope I'm correct. Let me scroll down and see if I can get the results. Let me type it again. Engaged. Engaged. Yeah, this is it. Engage shoppers. So I'm going to click it. So this engage shoppers, it actually means those who are active in buying uh, services or anything on Facebook. So Facebook knows those who are good in buying products either through ads or through Facebook Market Store or Facebook Marketplace. So Facebook knows those who are actually good in buying stuff. So those who are buying anything on Facebook, either on Facebook ads or on the marketplace, they actually target them. So what Facebook grouped those kind of people is they, as in Facebook use a particular name called engaged shoppers. So if you use engaged shoppers, Facebook will then gather all those who are very active in buying products and services through Facebook. So when you use that engage shoppers, Facebook will then gather all those group of people to you. So that's the reason why it is good to use this engage shoppers. So you can as well add other interests and all of that. So after that, you come over here. So you come over here to next. So you can then select the Facebook page. You can choose your ad set name. You can leave it this way in case if you want to. So let me scroll down again. Let me remove this thing. So in case if you see all these things, just cancel them. Okay. Facebook is just giving you a suggestion. So I'll come over here. So you can select either a single image or video or carousel or collection. So you can add collection of photos. So if you want to add collection of photos, just click collection. But right now I'm going to use single video or image. So I come over here to add media, add image. So okay, this is a video. Let me just click this thing. So I don't want to run any ads. I just want to do everything randomly. So this is just the main thing. The main thing is what I just showed you, how you can target um, Nigerians or South Africans or Kenyans who are living in United States. So you can still do the same thing. If it is if you want to target those who are living in Brazil or Canada or UK or Ireland or India, you can select the country. So first thing to do is to select the country of your choice. So when you go over to the detailed targeting, then you click expert, then click your own country. So Facebook will then know what to do. So that's just it. So let me just select an image, come over here, done. Already I've showed you how you can run ads on Facebook. So I just want to do everything randomly. So when I'm through, I will then click publish. Okay. When I'm through, I will then click publish. When you are through with everything. So that is just it. In case if you have any question, just try and ask. But before that, there's something I want to show you. Let me go back. There's something I want to show you. So if you want to pause your ad, like if your ad is active and you want to pause your ad, maybe you are not getting what you wanted and you want to pause that ad, like you don't want to ad to start to continue running, you come over here and off it. So if this is the ad, come over here and just click off. So the ad is off right now. And if you want to turn it to be active, you click here. As you can see, it's now blue. So when it's blue, it is active. But when it's now black, it is inactive. Okay. So if you are running two ads and you want to pause one, you can as well do the same thing. Okay. So that is just it. So thank you very much. In case if you have any question, do let me know. So thank you.